In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up any Discord server and export chats. We'll use Discord's built-in data request tool to create an archive of your account info, your messages, and the servers you're part of. This is the safest and most reliable way to keep a personal backup of what you can access on Discord. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or in a browser. Look to the bottom left corner of the window and click the little gear icon next to your avatar. That opens user settings, which is where all the privacy and data tools live. If you don't see the gear, make sure the window isn't minimized and that you're signed in. Inside user settings, find the data and privacy section in the sidebar. Click it to open the privacy dashboard. This page explains how Discord handles your information and includes controls for requesting a copy of your data. Next, find and click request data. This is the command that begins the export process. You'll see options that let you choose what to include, which helps keep your archive focused and easier to manage. Select account to include your core account details. This helps you preserve key profile information alongside your messages and server data so the backup is complete and consistent. Then select messages. This captures your message history from servers, group chats, and direct messages you have access to. Keep in mind, exports typically contain the text and references to attachments. Very large media may be provided as links. The more history you have, the larger the archive and the longer it can take to prepare. Now, select servers. This ensures the backup includes information about the servers you're in and context needed to understand where your messages live. You'll only receive data you're permitted to access, which keeps the export aligned with Discord's privacy and permission model. When your selections look right, click Request My Data. Discord will start compiling your archive. Depending on how much data you have, this can take anywhere from a short while to longer. You'll be notified in Discord and typically via email when your export is ready to download. When you do download it, store it in a secure location and consider encrypting or locking it behind a password, since it may contain sensitive conversation history. That's the full process. You've opened user settings, gone to data and privacy, requested your data, selected account, messages and servers, and submitted the request. Follow these steps anytime you want a fresh backup, and you'll always have a reliable copy of your Discord activity that you're allowed to access. Thanks for watching and take care of your archive safely.